Is your external component the Qt GIF Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Qt project links. Before we start the Qt GIF Library Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Qt GIF Library, the Qt GIF Image Format plugin. It manages the unmanaged parsing and decoding of GIF image containers for applications built on the Qt framework. It facilitates the rendering of animated and static GIF manifests within the software UI. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. To properly restore Qt GIF Library DLL, we must refresh both the software runtimes and hardware drivers. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX compatibility, and update your GPU software if the file is part of your system's compute or graphics stack. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Qt GIF library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Qt GIF Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Qt GIF Library Management. To support our technical team and receive updates on Qt GIF library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.